Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to begin with opening the settings, and now let's scroll down and find proper option, which should be in the system section. This is the section at the very bottom of the list, and on the second position we've got date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options connected to the date, time and the time zone, but unfortunately we cannot customize them. It is because we've got the network provided date, time and time zone options applied. So first of all, let's turn off both of those options, and right now we can simply tap on date. And here from this calendar, we can pick the date we want to use, so it's up to you. You can decide which day currently is and which year even. So let's tap on OK, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Of course, the same situation with the time. After tapping on it, we will be able to pick something from this clock. So let me pick 9 o'clock, for example. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, it is immediately changed. What's more, it will be immediately applied on the status bar. So let's pick the time zone also, and after tapping on it, we've been transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So basically, all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one. And as you can see, it is also immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Remember, we've set 9 o'clock, not 10. And under it, we've got also the option we're connected to the clock format. So right now we are using 24-hour format, but if you'd like to use 12 one, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be also immediately applied. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on the switcher to use 24-hour format, and both of those switchers here to use automatic date and time, and they will also be immediately changed. So actually this is it. This is how to manage date and time in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.